Hello, hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing some important 8th class science chapter number 7 exercise question answers, that is force and pressure. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ದೊರೆತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಥ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Force and pressure. Main question number 1. Give 2 examples each of situations in which you push or pull to change the state of motion of the object. Right answer. 2 examples of push force are as follows. First one, a heavy box at rest is pushed to move it from one room to another. This changes the state of motion of the box. Second one, a player pushes a football using his foot. This changes the state of motion of the ball. 2 examples of pull forces are as follows. Roof is pulled to draw water from a well. This changes the state of motion of the water bucket. Second one, a drawer is pulled to open it. This changes the state of motion of the drawer. Question number 2. Give 2 examples of situations in which applied force causes a change in the shape of an object. Right answer. 2 examples of a forces that cause a change in the shape of an object are as follows. First one, squeezing of a plastic bottle changes the shape of the bottle. Second one, deformation of clay by pressing it between the hands. Main question number 3. Fill in the blanks in the following statements. First one, to draw water from a well, we have to dash at the roof. Right answer, pull. The charged body dash uncharged body towards it. Charged body attract dash an uncharged body towards it. Third one, to move a loaded trolley, we have to dash it. To move a loaded trolley, we have to either push or pull it. Fourth one, the north pole of a magnet dash the north pole of another magnet. The north pole of a magnet repels the north pole of the another magnet. Question number 4. An archer stretches her bow while taking aim at the target. She then releases the arrow, which begins to move towards the target. Based on this information, fill up the gaps in the following statements using the following terms: muscular contact, non-contact, gravity, friction, shape, attraction. First one, to stretch the bow, the archer applied a force that causes a change in its dash. Shape. Right answer, shape. The force applied by archer to stretch the bow in An example of a dash force, muscular force. C. The type of force responsible for a change in the state of motion of the arrow is an example of a dash force, contact force. While the arrow moves towards its target, the force acting on it are due to and that due to dash of air, gravity and friction of the air. Question number 5. In the following situations, identify the agent exerting the force and the object on which acts. State the effect of the force in each case. Squeezing a piece of lemon between the fingers to extract its juice. Right answer. In squeezing a piece of lemon, we make use of muscular force to extract its juice. This muscular force acts on the lemon. As a result, the shape of the lemon gets changed. Taking out paste from the toothpaste tube. Right answer. We use our muscular force to take out paste from the toothpaste tube. The muscular force acts on the toothpaste tube. As a result, the shape of the tube gets changed. A load suspended from a spring while its other end is on the whole fixed up wall. Here a suspended load exerts a force on the spring and pushes the spring downwards. As a result, the spring gets stretched, hence its shape gets changed. In the next D ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು an athlete make a high jump to clear the bar at the certain height. Right answer. An athlete pushes the ground with his feet. His feet exerts a muscular force on the ground. This allows him to jump over the bar. As a result, his state of motion gets changed. Question number 6. A blacksmith hammers a hot piece of iron while making a tool. How does the force due to hammering affect the piece of iron? Right answer. When a blacksmith hammers a hot piece of iron, he uses his muscular force. This muscular force changes the shape of iron so that it can be given a desired shape. Question number 7. An inflated balloon was pressed against a wall after it has been rubbed with a piece of synthetic cloth. It was found that the balloon sticks to the wall. What force might be responsible for the attraction between the balloon and the wall? Right answer. On rubbing an inflated balloon with a piece of synthetic cloth, it becomes charged. A charged body attracts an uncharged body. When this charged balloon is pressed against a wall, it sticks to the wall. There, the force acting between the charged balloon and the wall is the electrostatic force. Question number 8. Name the forces acting on a plastic bucket containing water held above ground level in your hand. Discuss why the forces acting on the bucket do not bring a change in its state of motion. Right answer. We make use of muscular force to hold a bucket of water above the ground. This muscular force acts against the force of gravity that pulls the bucket towards the ground. The two forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Therefore, the net force on the bucket is zero. Hence, there is no change in its state of motion. Question number 9. A rocket has been fired upwards to launch a satellite in its orbit. Name the two forces acting on the rocket immediately after leaving the launching pad. Right answer. The two forces acting on the rocket are the force of gravity, which pulls the rocket towards the ground, and the force of friction due to Earth's atmosphere, which opposes its motion. Question number 10. When we press the bulb of a dropper with its nozzle kept in water, air in the dropper is seen to escape in the form of bubbles. Once we release the pressure on the bulb, water gets spilled in the dropper. The rise of water in the dropper is due to pressure of water, gravity of earth, shape of rubber bulb, atmospheric pressure. Right answer D. The rise of water in the dropper is due to atmospheric pressure. The rise of water in a dropper is due to atmospheric pressure. When all the air escapes from the nozzle, the atmospheric pressure, which is acting on water, forces water to fill the nozzle of the dropper. Dear friends, if you have any doubts in this chapter, question answers, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.